Hi Libra and welcome to your monthly predictions. Today we are going to talk about how month of April 21 is going to be for you. I'm sorry your video is the last video for this month, but every month I ask the card as to which zodiac should I start from, and as in how the cards advise me, I go with that flow. So maybe next month your video might be like the first one or the second one, you don't know. Okay, so this is the month of balance for you. This is the month where you have to ensure that everything that you are doing is in balance. You are moving forward in balance, and there is a lot of moderation in your life in this month that is really required. Don't rush into things. Don't be stubborn this month. Take rest, meditate. Don't go for things that kind of glitter, so all that glitter might not be gold this month. And if you do so, if you balance yourself, the results are going to be beautiful. By the end of the month you're going to kind of achieve quite a few things by the end of the month. If we talk about your health, from the health perspective, one, I would say this month take care of your diet. So have very balanced diet this month. Don't indulge into addictions. Second, this month ensure that your water intake is balanced, because water related trouble, or you're having clean water, so water related trouble could be there. If you balance that, there shouldn't be any problem. Third, this month take care of your feet. So step wherever you put your step, watch your steps. And also if there is anything that you feel there is with your feet, any problem or anything, then get it checked. Okay, there's something with the feet that might happen this month. And give yourself enough rest. Rest is going to be important this month. Sleep is going to be important this month. If I talk about mental health, if you don't really keep on thinking about things and keep on thinking about why this is not like this, that is not like that, or if you don't rush into things, then your mental health should be fine. There's nothing to be worried this month. If we talk about your money or wealth, this month I don't have even one pentacle card, and that is why I said moderation and balance is going to be very important in your life this month. Not that money will not flow or you will not have money, not like that. The only thing is this month you'll have to budget well. You don't have to put your money everywhere and anywhere. You don't have to kind of get indulged into anything that is looking very rewarding to you but actually is not. So don't rush by putting your money anywhere this month. It's not that the money will not flow, but you will have to budget well, and you will have to be careful and spend in moderation. That is important. If we talk about your love or relationships, this is the month of balance in love and relationships as well. But also it feels like something from your past, some person from your past might just come back in your life. And this person from your past doesn't mean only a partner. This can be a sibling, this can be an old friend, this can be a parent, this can be a child, anybody, somebody from your past, somebody who's related to you might come back to your life with a gift, and it will be beautiful because you'll feel good. Some communications are coming your way. Some things will come to light, and this month ensure in your relationships also you are actually keeping the complete balance. Whatever you're speaking in balance. Whatever you're doing, it is in balance. There is nothing that is beyond balance this month. If you want to do something, if you want to say something, if there is something that is kind of coming to your mind, you are getting indulged into any kind of negative thought, or you're thinking that your partner is not true or anything like that, ensure that you sit upon that for a while. Don't take the hasty action because it might not be there. So just balance yourself. That's going to be very important, and if you do that, the things are going to be very beautiful for you this month. If you're looking for a new relationship, I would say again, take time. Don't rush into commitments. Don't rush into anything. This is the month where everything that you look at might not be exactly how it is, and that is why you need to take a while. You need to kind of look at things, weigh your options well, and that take a step. Don't rush into anything. Marriage is possible, baby birth is possible, but like I said, again I'm telling you, don't rush into anything this month up for relationships. If we talk about your job and career, for your job and career, this month looks promising. This month looks like you are actually analyzing things. There is a new light that is coming your way. Somebody from your past, some old boss, somebody might just give you some opportunity. Some positive news is coming your way. You're going to move forward. Now if you're looking for immediate growth, that might not happen. Why? Because there's much more that you need to learn before you grow to the next level, and that learning is going to happen right now. And along with that learning, by the end of the month, you might have a choice where you would want to kind of choose to move to another job, or pick up something new, or do your own business. So business wise also I see partnerships coming in the life, but everything is going to be in moderation, very slow this month. And that is because you need rest, that is because you need to meditate, that is because you need to balance yourself. And the growth growth and everything will happen. It's not that you have to get disheartened. Everything will happen, but things will move slow. Don't leave your job this month if possible until you have another one. So don't take any hasty decisions this month. If you are into business also, keep yourself balanced. Listen very carefully about other things that are coming your way, the messages, the things that are coming across, the people, what they are saying. Listen to everything very, very carefully this month. It is going to be very important. If you talk about students, this is the month where you will be able to balance. So if you've chosen like different subjects which are poles apart from each other, or you want to do PhD, which is very, very different than how you would have done it in terms of the subjects that you had or what you've studied. So you maybe have chosen something different for yourself, and the cards are saying you will be able to balance everything beautifully well. So this month, don't worry, don't rush into things, don't rush into decisions, don't take hasty decision that, you know, I like this, I want to get into this. Take time, get guidance. If you are looking forward to give some exams or prepare for any exam, enroll for anything, this is the good month to do that. But do that like slowly, like think about everything, plan everything well, and then take your decision. By the end of the month, there are cards of completion. If we talk about your soul path this month is meditation. It is very important for you. Rest and meditate. These two things are very, very important. There's the card of star, there's temperance. So definitely all about meditation, all about resting, all about balancing yourself. There's a child who lives nearby, is singing something. So meditation is going to be very important. All chakra meditation is going to be very important for you. There is a link in the description box, so you can practice all chakra meditation as well. If we talk about the chakra of the month is solar plexus. Solar plexus is located here, 2 fingers above the navel. The mantra for solar plexus is Ram, RAM or RUM, but ensure that you do this meditation, because this is about the fire in your belly, right? And this is the month to balance that fire. Don't rush into things. And this tower depiction is also very beautiful, because if you see, this tower is burning and the soul that was good, nice, she's floating, and the devil is actually falling. So a very beautiful depiction of a tower. And this is the month where you have that ability to actually let the devil, let all the negativity about you to fall down, and just be in your energy, be in your passion. If we talk about the mental exercise of the month, the card is door to romance. Door to romance doesn't mean that you have to get romance from outside in your life, but it is also about self-love. And the affirmation for the month is, as I open the door to my own self-love, I attract more and more loving tenderness to me. And that happens. The more we love ourselves, the more we are balanced within ourselves, the more balance and love we attract from people outside. Because it is always, life always kind of mirrors, people always mirror the behavior that we do with our own selves. So if you have self-love, you will get more love from outside. The number of the month, number 2, color of the month, any shade of yellow or orange. If we talk about the surrender message, the first surrender message is surrender stubbornness. It says, if you are tensing up or taking a rigid stance about something, gently observe yourself and become more yielding. This will help you communicate more lovingly with others and yourself, and that is needed this month. Second, this says, surrender to silence. In quiet meditation or contemplation, let go and enter the stillness within. Silence can heal and replenish you, and that is why silence is going to be very important for you this month. It is very important to meditate, and you can watch the videos on my channel about meditation. You don't have to, there are techniques through which you don't have to actually put even extra 1 second for meditation. You can meditate without putting any extra time in the meditation. So please watch the videos. You will get the help. You will find those videos in either the playlist meditation or the playlist soul growth. Okay. Or something could be in tips to improve your life, so watch those. Surrender your attachment to results. The formula to success is to do all you can to make things happen, then let go of the results. Holding on too tightly to a desired outcome can sabotage the outcome. That is why don't be focused on outcome this month. Just do your bit. The unicorn message for you is perspective. It says, examine your situation from the higher perspective. And if you see here, 2 people are shaking hands here, they are fighting. At times what happens is, whatever things that happen in our life, we are not able to understand them, and we think that life is putting us into the fight, into a problem. You know, there's this picture that went very viral, and I've seen that on, I think, on WhatsApp or something, where there is Jesus and there is this girl who's standing in front of him with a teddy bear, with a small teddy bear in her hand, and he's asking for that teddy bear and she's crying. She doesn't want to give it, but in behind him he has actually a very big teddy bear that he wants to give it to her. So unless her hands are empty, he will not be able to give it to her. So that is why perspective is everything. If something is happening, look at the perspective, look at the bigger picture, look at the reason why that might be happening, and you will see very, very different story. The wisdom message for you is 29, number 11. It is breathe. The card is breathe, and breathing is very important for you this month. Balance is very important. Like I said, I'm going to read that out to you. It says, patience in all things is called for right now. What do you need to do when you are in a rush? Slow down, of course. Meditate and trust. Breathe and repeat. Humans cannot exist without drawing breath. Now is the time to allow the life-giving element of air to replenish your body, your being, and your very essence. Stop to smell the roses, breathe in the sunlight, and release the darkness, and miracles will appear. So if you want a miracle to happen in your life, balance yourself and breathe. What will happen if you follow the guidance, and what is the angel message? The card is King of Gabriel. It's a card of King of Wand. It says, keep your eyes on the bigger picture, leave the details to others. Experience that leads to success. Genuine concern for others. So if you have genuine concern for others, then if you actually look at the bigger picture and lead, you will always get good results. So if you like these videos, please share them with everybody else, because it's not only about a particular zodiac, but it's also about positivity that you can bring into your life in different circumstances. So if you like it, do share it. Let's see what is the message for you guys. Okay. So beautiful, two cards we have. One is Nine of Pentacles, one is Six of Swords. And you see in this, both these cards, this Nine of Pentacles card is a card which talks about things that happen slowly, but the growth that happens for sure. And that's what you're moving. You're moving towards growth that happens for sure. And this is the month which is helping you move from the disturbed waters to more calm waters. This person is taking his family with him, and now the waters are becoming calmer. He's moving towards the shore. The sun, the moon is coming out of the clouds. So there is light. So that is why there might be things that happen slowly in your life, but if you don't get restless, if you have patience, if you keep on growing forward, you will always get the good result out of it. If you want to know more than this, you can contact me for your personalized tarot reading through the Facebook link that's in the description box or through the comment section. You just have to write, I want my reading. I will share my number, we'll take it forward from there. Also, like I said, there are a lot of videos on my channel that can help you with positivity, with understanding the soul, learning the tarots. Whenever you get time, please watch them, and I will see you the next prediction. If you can, please subscribe the channel, please like the video. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.